Evaluate whether it was the right one. You can consider personal consequences, business and team consequences, and later opportunities that your choice provided. Think about how you approached the decision, and if you feel you made an incorrect choice, make a plan for what you're going to do differently the next time. And 9, be optimistic afterward. You're still creating your reality, so be optimistic. Being optimistic after you make your decision can be a good way to reward yourself for making decisions and accepting results. To apply your optimism practically, consider each possible outcome and then think of one positive result. Even a negative outcome may be useful to you since it gives you feedback to make better decisions in the future. 10, forgive yourself. Oftentimes I find people that haven't forgiven themselves, and it delays their ability to make decisions quickly. As you work towards goals, recognize that progress involves setbacks and forgive yourself for decisions you've made in the past. Don't let the mistakes of the past guide the decisions you make in the future, because they will always be incorrect. The past is only an instructor, but don't let the emotions of it limit you. 11, accept the limits of your control and knowledge. As you learn to make decisions, recognize that you may never have all the information you need to make a perfect decision. Being proactive about the decisions in the workplace or at home can be beneficial, but you're still working with your clients, coworkers, or family. Others' choices and external factors may influence or counteract the effects of your choices. Learning to make decisions is a process rather than a single choice, so it's important to put your choices into context and continue to make better ones. When you make a decision and truly commit, you can overcome every obstacle. By committing to a decision, you're making a statement. You're telling the world this is how it's going to be. Knowing how to be decisive projects confidence and charisma, and it's a trait of the true leader. We can get so caught up in the desire to make the right decision that we end up making no decision at all. Learning how to be more decisive, however, takes effort and a level of commitment all its own. How many times have you thought to yourself, I'll do this, only to second guess your decision, eventually backing away from making a decision at all? There's no way to go through life. It is in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped, as Tony Robbins says, and we all want to shape our own destinies.